Hello, lovely gardeners. Let's start today with a beautiful scripture. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. Psalm 24:1. And a positive quote to brighten your day. Gardening adds years to your life and life to your years. Today, I'm diving into the perfect companions for your zinnias. Spoiler alert, they're not just pretty faces. Zinnias are vibrant and cheerful, but did you know they do even better with some friends? It's like a garden party. Let's talk about 11 herbs and flowers you should be growing near zinnias in your garden. First up, basil. Not only does basil deter pests, but it also enhances the growth of your zinnias. Talk about a win-win. Plus, who doesn't love fresh basil for cooking? Next, we have marigolds. Marigolds are like the bodyguards of your garden, repelling harmful insects and protecting your zinnias. They're the bouncers of the plant world. They're easy to grow and add a splash of color. Lavender is another great companion. Its delightful fragrance attracts beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, which help pollinate your zinnias. Plus, it smells like a spa day, and it adds a soothing aroma to your garden. Then there's thyme. This hardy herb suppresses weeds and makes a great ground cover, benefiting your zinnias by keeping the soil healthy. It's like a cozy blanket for your garden. Plus, thyme is wonderful for cooking too. Cosmos are up next. These delicate flowers attract pollinators and beneficial insects, creating a lively and thriving garden environment for your zinnias. Don't forget about dill. Dill attracts predatory insects that feed on garden pests, providing natural pest control for your zinnias. It's like having a tiny army on your side. And of course, dill is fantastic in the kitchen. Nasturtiums are another excellent choice. These vibrant flowers not only repel insects but are also edible, adding a peppery kick to your salads. Who knew flowers could be so tasty? Sunflowers make a bold statement in any garden. They attract pollinators and provide a natural support system for zinnias to lean on. They're like the tall, strong friends everyone needs. Parsley may seem simple, but it's a powerful companion. It attracts beneficial insects and enhances the growth of your zinnias. Plus, it's a garnish superstar. Plus, fresh parsley is always a culinary delight. Alyssum, with its sweet fragrance, attracts pollinators and beneficial insects, keeping your garden ecosystem balanced. Finally, we have chives. Chives repel pests and attract pollinators, giving your zinnias the best chance to thrive. And they're perfect for garnishing your dishes. So there you have it, 11 wonderful companions for your zinnias. It's like assembling the Avengers, but for your garden. By planting these herbs and flowers together, you'll create a harmonious and thriving garden ecosystem. Happy gardening, everyone! Remember, nature rewards those who nurture it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you next time, and may your gardens always bloom with beauty and joy. And remember, keep calm and garden on.